Valid parenthesis problem. Given a string S containing just the open and close parenthesis characters, determine if the input string is valid based on three conditions. Open brackets must be closed by the same type of brackets. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. We can test our solution against 5 example strings, and the constraints are the length of the string and that the string consists only of the open and close parenthesis characters. We can implement this solution using a stack. Let's define an empty stack. Also define the open parenthesis string and the corresponding close parenthesis string. Then we iterate over each and every character in the string. If the character is available in the string open, we can feed it to the stack, push it to the stack. Else, we have to first check if the stack is still not empty. If the stack is empty, there is no corresponding open parenthesis for the close parenthesis character, then it is not a valid string. If the stack is not empty, we can take the top item inside the stack by stack.pop. Then we can check a condition if the position in the string character is in the close parenthesis string is equal to the position of the top character in the open string. They are corresponding characters, but if the indexes are different, then the string is not a valid string. So this is what we have to check inside the for loop, and when the for loop is over, then outside the for loop there is again another check to be done. If the stack is not empty, again there are extra open parentheses, so S is not a valid string. If all the checks are over, we can return true. If we run the function and validate it with the string just two parentheses, it returns true, and the time complexity of the function is big O n. N is the length of the string, and the push and pop operations are just big O1. Actually, we can validate it against this example. Yeah, it is returning false. Thank you.